Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody is safe and made it through the holidays so far. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Had a few days I took off. I had a brand new puppy we adopted, so been training the little guy. So definitely check these guys out. Oh man, I don't know what habits about other pair of scissors, but this will be alright. There we go. Here we go. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Get this fast shipped to you. And there we go. Whoa. Hey, talk about scissors. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack from Taotree. Alright, let's see what these, try to open these things. See, there's my dog. Alright. There we go. Got that part open. Dang. And oh man. There we go. Easy. Got the one pair. Ooh. Just like Brutus Barber Beefcake. Oh yeah. And we got the gray black kind. Cut it out. Oh yeah. Let's see. What's last? Oh, we got one here. Be careful too. Ooh, yellow and silver. Cool, cool, cool. And I think this is our last one. Uh-oh. Oh, one more. Yeah, we got the green. And the red. Let's see how this thing cuts. We'll just use one because we don't need... Whoa. Look at that. Bam. It cuts through like crazy. Watch your fingers. Alright, alright. Look at that. Bam. Cool. So check them out, YouTubers. Taotree, Amazon Prime. Get a set of 5 scissors and check them out. Cool colors. Oh, there's a blue. These are not part of that. Those are the old ones, but now we got these. And there we go. So time to do some cutting. That's my dog. There we go. Edward Scissorhands. So check them out. Whole set of 5. Got the blades. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. And hopefully see you guys back soon. Sorry for the delay. Like I said, in between the holidays, after the holidays, kind of slow time. So bear with me, though. We'll have some videos coming up, giveaways and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And check out my other videos from last year and the years before. So be safe and see you guys soon. See ya.